During your career, you'll find sites online that contain images that may be used for commercial and non-commercial use. It's important to note that even though a site may say copyright free, there may be situations when the image cannot be used. Knowing where to find copyright information for images you use from online resources will help you avoid any legal ramifications. Online resources like Unsplash host a wide range of images. The licensing for all images acquired from the site can be found when selecting the license link. When you get to this page, notice that all of the photographs can be downloaded for free, commercial and non-commercial purposes. No permission is needed, but attribution is appreciated. What's not permitted: photos cannot be sold without significant modification. Compiling photos from Unsplash to replicate a similar service, which simply means you can't use all of these images and host them on a site that you create yourself. I wanted to show you, if you read the FAQ and scroll down here, one of the stipulations: you can certainly use these images for any design project you have, but can you use the image on a product you sell, like a mug or a t-shirt? The short answer is no. This site directs you to contact the photographer if you wish to use an image that they have on the site for a product that you're selling. Knowing about copyright is important. If you're taking your own images, there are certain steps that you can add metadata to the image to protect your own work. If we go to Photoshop, I'm going to show you, I have an image up here that I took. Adding the metadata to this image and then posting it online, the metadata stays attached to the image. And that gives the image, or anyone looking for the copyright information, it's available within the image itself. So how do you add it? If you have your image open up in Photoshop, go to the File command and then File Info. It brings up a box. Oops. Bring this into screen here with all of the information that you can add. The basic information: you can add the document title, description, the author, any copyright information. The metadata that's already attached to the image before you even do any of this. It's going to tell me what camera I used, what settings I had on the camera, and that is important for me as a photographer to know exactly what I had the camera set to when I took the image. It also tells me where the image was in terms of when it was created and what time it was created. It does not give me the city. So this is how to add the metadata information for any image that you take yourself. And once you click OK and save that image, that information that you have on the image itself and the metadata is attached to the image. So it's always available for anyone else or yourself for future reference.